In the last section, we created a new instance of a material app and assigned it to this app variable right here. We're now going to take this app variable, which contains a reference to our material app, and we're going to try to get it to display on the screen of our device. So fortunately, this step is very straightforward. When we import this material.dart file right here, it included not only this material app thing and this text thing, but it also included an import for a function called run app as well. So I'm going to write out the run app function down here. And then to this function, I'm going to pass in the app that we just created. So the run app function is going to take the app widget that we just made, and it's going to try to get that widget to display on the screen of our mobile device. So now we can save this file. I'm going to open up my emulator once more. I'm going to open up my terminal once more. And then you might notice that inside of our terminal, we get a message right here that says that we can reload our app on the fly by pressing R, or we can restart our app entirely by pressing capital R or Shift R on your keyboard. So the pressing of R or capital R is talking about having your terminal focused and then pressing those hotkeys. So if you go over to the simulator or your emulator and you just press R, nothing's going to happen. You have to go over to your terminal, and then you're going to press Shift R, and that's going to take all the changes we just made to our code base. It's going to rebuild our app and then restart the application on our simulator or emulator. So when I hit Shift R over here, I then very soon see the text "Hi there" appear on my screen. Now this text very unfortunately looks absolutely hideous right now. It's got some pretty weird formatting around it, but I think you can agree with me that at least we got some content to appear on the screen, or more specifically, this text widget right here that has the text "Hi there." Okay, so that's it. We got some very simple content to show up on our screen. However, I think you can agree with me that, yeah, we probably are going to have to work on the styling here just a little bit if we're going to actually work on the application that we're trying to put together. This one right here. So let's take a quick pause right here. We'll come back to the next video, and we're going to start working on some more functionality to really make our app. So quick break, and I'll see you in just a minute.